What's it like to stay at Paris, Las Vegas in 2021? We're gonna show you around next on Jaycation. Hey, what's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the Las Vegas series. We're at Paris, Las Vegas in 2021. I'm gonna show you all the protocols that they're doing and everything you need to know about your stay here in Paris, Las Vegas. So stay tuned. Right behind me is the miniature Arc de Triomphe and the beautiful hot air balloon of Paris that they have here. And yeah, let's go inside, check out Paris, Las Vegas. All right, guys, we just made it here to Paris. Gotta grab our room keys. I just checked in. I actually checked in on my phone. So they don't have digital room keys, but you gotta pick up your room keys. So I'm gonna show my QR code at the self check-in and get our room keys. Fun fact, this is my dad's middle name. It's Napoleon. What do you think of your bar, Marty?
Nice. My kind of bar. Why is it closed?
Looks like a dueling piano bar. Try singing your favorite Mariah Carey song while you wash. What up, bruh?
Good, we're in the makeshift mirror room right now.
They just verify your driver's license and I think a credit card. They give you a room assignment slip and our room keys will follow, so that's it. We're good. Alright, so they told us our room and we got our room keys.
We have arrived to Paris.
What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome to our room here at Paris, Las Vegas. First off, we're just here at a 2-queen bedroom. First things first, these aren't our locks. So they didn't find this last guest's lock down here in the ground. So very nice decor. I like the different oval-esque type carpet. It's really nice. I like the headboard. It's really cool. And then you got your Paris Bonne Chance right there. Really cool frame. And then over here you got your circular sun mirror and a nice working space. They give you an ice bucket so you can keep your drinks cold. Hopefully there's a fridge in here. Let's see. You got your TV here. Hopefully I can plug an HDMI cable into the TV. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah, we have a fridge. Is it empty? And it's empty. Yes! Sorry, Park MGM, but Paris already has one up on you because they have a fridge. And it's nice and cool in there. And then you have a nice little safe, extra pillows, and your closet rack with a nice mirror so you can check yourself out a little bit. You got the drawers, your ironing board and your iron, along with more hangers and a luggage stand that will come in handy for you. Now let's turn around this other way, and this is the bed stand. Really nice bed stand, really nice and clean. 3 drawers. Usually it's only like 2 drawers. Awesome lamp with the red post, and a cool cube digital clock with your phone, and then you got your TV remote. What I didn't like here is that they didn't give you a care package of masks and hand sanitizer like they did over at Park MGM. Now that was a plus over at the Park MGM, but you know what? I'll happily sacrifice that actually for the refrigerator. So let's go. Really cool. So we got 2 beds. And then check this out, guys. You can just kick it here in the morning. Boom. What's up? This is a really nice room. We're actually just overlooking, oh, you can see partial fountains. Oh, look, there's some partial fountainage over there.
Partial.
Wow, we can see it, yeah.
Partial.
Partial's partial. And that's Bally's right there. You got Dre's and the Flamingo. So pretty decent view. And I actually think this room was about 60 bucks a night. Pretty good deal though. Like I was actually going to book a place over at Planet Hollywood, but when I saw Paris was a little cheaper, I decided to stay here in Paris. We can get around to Caesar's Palace, Bellagio, Flamingo, and all that. Now let's go into the bathroom. All right, so here we are in the bathroom. Ooh, it's actually really nice. I like it. Cool mirror right here. Nice little shape with the red border. Pretty sweet. You also got a bathtub and shower right here. So if Jill wants to take a bubble bath, you can take a bath bomb and throw it in there and then take a shower after. So that's nice. And then of course you got King Louis XIV's throne, if y'all know what I'm saying. Nice bathroom. And then you got your little compartments with the towels and the hair dryer. You got your hair dryer right here. And a really clean sink. Yeah, soap, conditioner, shampoo, everything you need. And then nice little frame of a mini Eiffel Tower and the real Eiffel Tower. I know where this is. This is in Trocadero. We've been to Trocadero, Jello. We've taken some bomb pics over there in the past. That's the room tour of Paris, Las Vegas. Now let's go downstairs and check out Beer Park. Alright, Jaycationers, if you're finding value in this video so far, I'd really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. It really helps distribute this video throughout YouTube. Please make sure to subscribe to Jaycation, as I have tons of Vegas, San Diego, and world travel content to come, and a lot of Vegas especially. So stay tuned. I also do live streams once a week. Let's get back to the Paris, Las Vegas video. Alright, Jaycationers, we're headed over to Beer Park, which is downstairs overlooking the Bellagio fountains. It's a really cool restaurant here at Paris. We're gonna grab a late dinner tonight. You get the fountains in the back.
A red Solo cup, like, come on, it don't get better than that.
Red Solo cup. Alright, Jaycationers, we're here at Beer Park. I got the Agua del Diablo 23 ounce. Nice little Mexican lager. Pretty good taste too. Since you're at Beer Park, you gotta try out their beers for sure. And what I really like about this place is that you can watch the Bellagio fountains. We're actually seated right behind it. You can actually see it in my background when the show's actually going on. And Madi just got a regular 16 ounce Budweiser. The Beer Park's actually owned by Budweiser. As you guys can see, the Bellagio fountains are going on behind me. Now, here at Beer Park, you can do reservations ahead of time online. I made our reservations at 10 p.m. because I knew we were gonna be eating a late dinner. I actually did all my reservations for all the places we're eating this week, a week or two ahead of time, just to ensure that we have a spot at the allotted time. So yeah, I'm definitely on a schedule. I'm really serious about filming these videos and getting them out to you here on YouTube. So make sure you guys are liking this video. It really helps distribute it throughout YouTube. Jello said that these plates are cool because they're like paper plates, but they're not. They're actually plastic plates. We got the fish and chips, and then we got the grilled brisket cheese sandwich right here with some crinkle cut fries. You got your tartar sauce, your vinegar, ketchup, and lemon. Good stuff. We're gonna sprinkle the lemon all over this. Alright guys, so we're gonna try out the fish. Put a little tartar sauce on it. Oh yeah, that's good. We got the fish and chips. Pretty good fish and chips.
What's going on, Jaycation? I kind of already ate some of my brisket sandwich, but it was really good. Meat was crispy, and cheese melts in your mouth with the bread green crunchy as well. Very schmacking, not gonna lie. Also got some buffalo sauce on the side. And even though we had meat and brisket earlier and a bunch of ribs, I'm still in the mood for some brisket. Let's try with the buffalo. Cheers. Schmacking.
Alright, let me get a piece of this brisket action. Let me get some of your hot sauce. Let me get some of that hot sauce. Oh yeah. Your house-made buffalo sauce is nice and tangy, and this grilled cheese is on point. Oh yeah. One thing that's really cool about Beer Park is that it's a very picturesque place. When you have the fountains going off, make sure you're over by that balcony taking some pictures. And you also got a nice little angle of the Eiffel Tower. So Instagrammers, take your pictures here. All right, Jello, what did you think, man? Beer Park, that was a pretty good brisket grilled cheese.
It's a very unique sandwich. 10 out of 10 for sure.
And yeah, the views are really nice over here too.
Especially
at
all the scenery.
Yeah, you get the Eiffel Tower behind you, and then you get the Bellagio fountain. It's definitely worth checking out while you're here at the Paris. You'll get me some of these sippy cups though. Alright, Jaycationers, we're about to hop into our 4 Series convertible. Shout out to SD Cruisin' Rentals. Now, I got a special deal for y'all. You save 15% off your entire booking with SD Cruisin' Rentals if you use the promo code Jaycation when you do your rental on their website. So go check it out, promo code down below. Now let's get the top down and cruise the strip. Let's ride. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Check it out, it's my boulangerie. Also, Jaycationers, make sure you check out my video on Mon Ami Gabi. It's a separate video because it was such a good spot that it deserved its own video. We're here at the pool right now. You overlook the Eiffel Tower. Check that out in the background. Now, we didn't get a chance to go in here, but this is it, and you can actually take a picture in front of that frame right there where Mahdi's standing. And yeah, they have a pool, a chapel, and a gym over here. So if you want to use all those facilities, you can go ahead and do that. Now, I want to give you guys a little disclaimer here too. If you're going to be connecting to the internet, you can only use a total of 2 devices total in your room, or else anything past that, you get $14.99 a day charged to your hotel room automatically. They won't even like give you a warning. There might be a little fine print when you're connecting, but yeah, that's just something you need to be aware of, because when you check out, you'll see all these random $14.99 charges and you're like, what? And then you realize that you're with a few other people and it's more than 2 devices that are connected, which is unfortunate. So just be aware of that. Another thing that I love about staying in Paris is that it's right across the street from the Miracle Mile shops. So you can hop over and get your cheap eats at the Miracle Mile shops at like La Salsa for breakfast or Ocean One for lunch. Check out my video on cheap eats in Planet Hollywood. That should be coming up. Alright, Jaycationers, so that will do it here from Paris, Las Vegas. It was a really great 3 nights. I love the fridge. The room is actually really spacious and comfortable. It was nice and soundproof too. Like, we didn't hear the neighbors or anything like that. The beds were comfortable, and yeah, there was just a lot of space to move around with my dad and my little bro here. We really loved going around Paris. JJ's Boulangerie, they got Napoleon's downstairs, and then hopefully the buffet downstairs opens up because it's really beautiful. It looks like a little French village, like the Alsace region. Would I stay at the Paris, Las Vegas again? The answer is 100% yes. We had a great time. We tried out Beer Park. You can see beautiful views of the Bellagio fountains. And then we ate breakfast at Mon Ami Gabi. They gave us huge portions, and we actually really liked the Eggs Benedict that they had over there. Yes, stay at Paris, Las Vegas. 2 thumbs up for 60 plus bucks a night on the weekdays. That's a really good deal. Now, it goes up on the weekends, so just check out the rate calendar, and if you have your Caesars Rewards account, you can get better deals through that account. So make sure you sign up for Caesars Rewards. It's totally free. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. I have a complete library of San Diego content and more San Diego content to come, and I'm also currently building this Las Vegas series. I'm trying to come to Vegas once a month and show you guys hotels, food, travel tips, and everything in between. I really appreciate it. If you want to support Jaycation more in 2021 and see great videos like this and support the food videos, please check out my Patreon. And if you want to know more about San Diego's news, updates, and latest info, check out my Facebook page. It's called It's Always Sunny in San Diego. We just hit 1,000 members just last night. So thank you to everybody for that. And we'll see y'all in the next video. And in the words of me, stay traveling, Jaycationers.